Yes, sir. Big dick, big dick. Big old dick, dick, dick. 3 big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick until that nigga finishes. Dick big and green, it tastes just like spinach. Dudes, I love when they send me all the news. Had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He's sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutters. Dick bigger than a stick of butter. I saw that big dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gay. We like dick, and I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I shit, and dick is dry so I spit on the tip. I spit on the tip to get it slippery. Love when he giving me that hickory dickory. Will he come? That remains a mystery. Suck the dick, then the rest of it is big guys. And they bust on my eyes, they eat my ass just like apple pie. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They pipe my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum start dripping. I took a bite of his ass, it tastes like lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up in the air, my booty flipping. He ducking the balls in my booty like he's Scotty Pippen. I met that nigga last night, then I rode his dick like a bike. He's so thick, he looks like a dyke, but that's okay cause I think his name Mike Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest news I've received. I love when I receive his BBC. I said I love when I receive his BBC. I love when I receive 3 big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick until that nigga finish, and his dick big and green, it tastes just like spinach. Dudes, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he cleaning out a mower. Trying to fuck me fast, not slower. Saw that big dick swinging up in the motherfucking bathroom. He like me and my friends cause we eat ass too. We like dick, and we like his ass cause it's thick. He gon' fuck my butt till I shit, and dick is dry so I spit on the tip. Dick is dry so I spit on the tip. Until that nigga finishes, dick big and green, it tastes just like spinach. Dudes, I love when they send me all the news. Had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He's sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutters. Dick bigger than a stick of butter. I saw that big dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gay. We like dick, and I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I shit, and dick is dry so I spit on the tip. I spit on the tip to get it slippery. Love when he giving me that hickory dickory. Will he come? That remains a mystery. Suck the dick, then the rest of it is big guys. And they bust on my eyes, they eat my ass just like apple pie. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They pipe my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum start dripping. I took a bite of his ass, it tastes like lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up in the air, my booty flipping. He ducking the balls in my booty like he's Scotty Pippen. I met that nigga last night, then I rode his dick like a bike. He's so thick, he looks like a dyke, but that's okay cause I think his name Mike Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest news I've received. I love when I receive his BBC. I said I love when I receive his BBC. I love when I receive 3 big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick until that nigga finish, and his dick big and green, it tastes just like spinach. Dudes, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he cleaning out a mower. Trying to fuck me fast, not slower. Saw that big dick swinging up in the motherfucking bathroom. He like me and my friends cause we eat ass too. We like dick, and we like his ass cause it's thick. He gon' fuck my butt till I shit, and dick is dry so I spit on the tip.